Enter the fascinating, exotic world of Queen Marie Antoinette and her ladies in waiting. Indulge in their royal extravagance, where fairy tale dreams come true. Imagine meandering in the gardens of Versailles, exploring the corridor of mirrors, ceilings dripping with chandeliers and mesmerizing murals, decor gleaming with gold, laughter mingling with the strains of harpsichords echoing through the magnificent halls, with hosts of the royal court in luxurious apparel attending masquerade balls. May you enjoy the romantic essence as you embark on an epic journey back in time through the pages of the journal you create. A French Rococo Baroque inspired kit with hints of history as well as heaps of poetic license thrown in, where royalty eventually runs into the revolution alongside the scandal of the necklace affair. Some pages are distressed to evoke old abandoned chateaux with crumbling mortar, peeling paint and cracked plaster, and frayed fragments of once fancy fabrics. Please enjoy.